work No One Listens, that was in response to the foreshore and seabed issue. As a tauira, you're highly charged about a lot of things, artists are in general. During my time as a tauira, Te Wānanga Aotearoa went through a really rough time. We were thrown into this political football mess. And I remember going past the dairy just up the road, and out the front was government moves on TWOA. And I was like, whoa, what does that mean? The public perception of Wānanga was at a low. Fleet cars were getting banged into, on purpose. So what did we do as students? We decided to organise a rally. We decided to send a fax. We were just crossing our fingers that they received it. No Facebook, no private messenger, but we were just... And it was really cool because when we arrived down there, I didn't know who was going to show up. And I saw a van roll up, and out jumped the boys from Maniapoto. Another van rolled up, Huntley, another van rolled up. And I was like, awesome. To see them all rock on up, and it doesn't matter if there was 4 of them or 8 of them, it's actually who they represent. And we did it. We walked through town. It was just quite a special time to be able to show your aroha for the people that you love, but more importantly, the education that you receive. It's not like any other art student experience, but the network of community is really important. What impacted here rippled out to the rest of the sites. When I talk about this particular work, there was a lot of emotions and a lot of urgency in supporting the kaupapa of the hikoi, but also being able to articulate how we thought. Art is a rongoa, TWOA is a rongoa. And so creating work to articulate emotion is an important part of the arts.